Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to add authorized user on Bank of America credit card. But first, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. To add an authorized user to your Bank of America account online, follow these steps. Log into your Bank of America online account. Navigate to the page displaying your accounts and select the specific credit card you wish to extend authorization for. Click on the Information and Services option. Locate the menu labeled Services and choose the Add an Authorized User option. Input the required personal information of the authorized user. Click Submit. Once added, the issuer will send a credit card with the authorized user name to your address. Activate the card and pass it on the authorized user, allowing them to make purchases. Keep in mind that you can decide whether or not to give the authorized user their card. If they use the card, you'll be responsible for paying those expenses. Some people add authorized user to help them build credit, but you can also choose to report your regular payments on their credit report without allowing them to spend on the card. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.